I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 29, Global, in Project Default Calendar. Objective, student will learn how to use the project and global default calendars in P6. Project Default Calendar. When you create a project, default project calendar is assigned. This can be either global or a project calendar. How to assign a default calendar. Let's open the Projects window and highlight any open or closed project. Choose the Defaults tab in the Project Details. As you can see, that a default calendar is assigned on the calendar field. Let's click the button icon to open the selected default project calendar form. You can click the Display Project Calendar drop-down box to select either global or project calendar. Select any calendar to be the default calendar of the project. Click Assign icon. Let's go now to the Activity window. Changing the default calendar will not affect previously assigned calendar to any activity. Let's try to add a new activity. As you can see, the new activity was assigned by the default calendar. Let's have a look how it works in P6. On the Project window, let's select an activity. Note that under the Defaults tab, a project calendar is assigned. Let's go to the Activity window. Observe the calendar assigned to activities are 5-day work week. Go back to the Project window and change the calendar to a 6-day work week. In the Activity window, the calendars did not change, but if you add an activity, the 6-day work week is assigned. Global Default Calendar. The Global Default Calendar is used to display the calendar for all the projects in the P6 database. You can open the Global Default Calendar by selecting the Enterprise menu, then Calendars. Select a default calendar by checking the box, and then close. As you can see, the schedule changes all non-working times. Let's have a look how it works in P6. I opened the school project. Let's change the Global Default Calendar. Under Enterprise menu, select Calendar. Select Standard 6-day work week. As you can see, the non-working days changed on the bar chart. Let's bring it back. How does the Global Default Calendar affect the summary bands of the activity sheet? In this example, we have a Global Default Calendar of Standard 5-day work week. Case 1, we have a set of activities in the WBS that have Standard 5-day work week calendar, the same with the Global Default Calendar. Duration summary is calculated on the calendar of the activities, which is 10 days. The calendar name is displayed on the calendar column. Case 2, we have a set of activities in the WBS that have mixed or different calendar. Duration summary is calculated on the project default calendar, which is 6 days. The calendar name is not displayed on the calendar column. Case 3, we have set of activities in the WBS that have standard 6-day workweek calendar, not default. Duration summary is calculated on the calendar of activities, which is 10 days. The calendar name is displayed on the calendar column. Default calendars, in calculating lags. In P6, you have the option, in selecting a calendar for leads, or lags. This can be set up on the Tools menu, then choose Schedule, click the Options, and go to the General tab. Below, it is a drop-down box called Calendar for Scheduling, Relationship Lag. You have 4 options on how a lag calculate in the schedule. We'll discuss this topic in future lessons. This concludes our lesson. Thank you very much.